Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HoMedics massage gun no charging in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply check your charging setup properly. You can try a different charging cable, adapter or power outlet and simply look for any kind of indicator light on the device when plugged in. If there is no response, the issue is likely with the charger or the power supply. If it shows charging but doesn't hold the power, we can just simply check the charging port in that case. Simply look at the dust, lint or loose connection inside the port. So you need to clean it gently and reconnect the charger firmly. Sometimes a blocked or loose port can also stop charging completely. Now you need to keep the device plugged in for about 10 to 15 minutes and then simply unplug it and try turning it on again. So this is going to help reset the charging circuit and it also fixes the detection related issues. Now, even after doing all of these steps, it is still doesn't charge. The problem may be with the internal battery. So in that case, repair or battery replacement may be required. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.